What's up, guys? Johnny here. I have an opportunity to earn XCN crypto, so I wanted to take you along with how I do that on Coinbase. So basically, here is the Learning Rewards tab. I just click on it and it gives you a ton of ways to earn quick money in crypto. This isn't a sponsored video, but I just thought this was really cool. And so yeah, let's earn some XCN. Here we go. It's gonna load. It says, in the traditional financial system, even the simplest. Oops, it went really fast. Founded in 2014. That's cool. Chain cloud. Chain ledgers infrastructure sequence. Chain NFTs as a service product was built to help creators and brands leverage blockchain. Cool. Okay. XCN. The entire chain protocol is maintained by the chain DAO, a decentralized anonymous organization. Okay. So it says $0 in XCN earned. Alright, let's try to earn some XCN. Okay, let's see. Which of the following services is not offered by chain? I remember that one. I remember that one and that one. I think this one is not a service. Cool. So cool. So I earned $1. And guys, this is money that you can literally cash out and then use later or just keep invested, which is why I like this reward program. The XCN token is a chain ecosystem governance. XCN has fixed supply of just under 53.5 billion tokens. 23.5 billion are circulated. It looks like by staking XCN you have some voting rights. Has a payments token ecosystem to pay for chain platform fees and functions. Okay. XCN holders can also receive premium access to products and services. XCN may also be used to receive discounts when utilized as payment methods. Some platforms can even offer 20% discounts when payments are made with this token. That's pretty cool. 20% off for using this token in payments. Interesting. Okay, well, my internet is being really slow. Great. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's take the quiz. Come on. Here we go. How many XCN tokens are allocated to the chain DAO? Do you remember what it was? I think it was 10 billion. I think it was 10 billion. Huh, nice. So I earned another $1. That's already $2 I've earned in XCN. Really cool. XCN. So last one to make another $1. Chain is committed to powering Web3 infrastructure and bridging the physical realm. Chain gives team goals, writing fast and meaningful support. Many major brands and entrepreneurs are making the shift to Web3. Chain will continue to expand its services and help facilitate the growth of the space. Chain envisions bringing millions of creators into space by supporting NFTs. Chain will also continue to provide operational support. So I guess they're referring to themselves as Chain. EXE or XCN is Chain. Their goal is to help bring 1 million financial service providers. Wow. Okay, so to earn another dollar, what does Chain help brand creators and entrepreneurs do? It helps them build their offerings using blockchain technology. Wow. Yep. Very cool. Very cool. I love it. I earned $3 on XCN. $3 by just doing some simple questions. Very cool. And then it shows you that you could also learn about Chain, follow them on Twitter, join the community on Telegram or something, and check out Sequence or Open Sequence. Really cool. And then you can go and you could trade XCN. So let's see what it is real quick. XCN. That's so cool. I have $3 or 41.46 tokens of Chain at 7 cents. 41.46 at 7 cents. Let's see all. I like to see their all. So it looks like they started about 4 cents. They're up about 53 cents, which is pretty cool. They're as high as 18 cents, which is nuts. They're down about 5% for the day, and they're down 12% for the week, down 15% for the month, but they're up 53% for the year. So they're down about 15%. As it says here, XCN is an Ethereum token that governs Chain protocol and used to vote on protocol improvements and various community-driven programs. XCN is also utilized for discounts, premium access, payment method for commercial fees on Sequence, and other Chain ecosystem products. So that is pretty cool. You can get discounts by using this token specifically to make payments. It has $1.6 billion market cap, has 5.9 million volume in 24 hours, which is actually up 12% from yesterday. Circulating supplies is 21.5 billion, 40% of total supply. Popularity is about number 28. Typical holding time is about 15 days. And the trading activity is 60% buy, about 40% sell. Performance of the past year, Chain has gone up 54%, whereas the market has gone down 60%. So even though the market is extremely low, this product has been able to maintain and if not go even higher by 54%. So pretty cool, very interesting. Chain. Let me know what your thoughts are on Chain or XCN token. All right. And also check out this video right here, or this video here. Have a great day.